Alright everyone, welcome back. Looking at Chrono.tech here. So time from the last update, I did switch the chart over to the Coinbase chart just because it tells a better story, gives us a better picture of what is going on. So you can see we're sitting right down here perfectly on the 1414 at about 1823. And if we just look back in time for time here, you can see that it's struggling to get over the 21-day EMA. It's in this massive downtrend. If we switch over to the weekly chart, you can see how bearish this thing actually is here. So it doesn't look good. There's nothing really on the chart telling me that this thing is going to bounce to the upside. I know we were looking at a potential bounce on the last update, looking at the price going down and the money flow going up. But you can see since that last update, the money flow has fallen off the table here. So that bullish divergence is out the window. We're sitting down here on support, which I would say is the only bullish thing about time right now, is that it is on support for a potential bounce. But if it does get a bounce, it may be very short-lived here. So if we do bounce from this 1820 area, we're currently at 1898. You're looking probably to get stuck at about an 8% move at your 21-day EMA, which is currently at 2051. So to get any kind of momentum back to the upside on time, you need to get over the 21 with a close and potentially have a shot at 2350 up here at your 1272 for a total of about a 24% move up. But first you have to get over your 21-day EMA. And if you do get over that for some momentum up, you have this resistance here and you have your 50-day EMA, which you will meet at that price level. So a lot of resistance to get any kind of momentum back to the upside. I would probably guess that you're probably going down more. Depends on how long you're going to hold this level here. This box I drew, anywhere from about 1760 up to 1823. That's your price to hold. Once you take that out, which is highly probable, you're probably going to drop down here to the 1618 at about 1260. So from where you are right now, if you do not get over that 21-day EMA, which is curled down, by the way, depending on how long you take down here, it's going to depend on where you're going to meet it at. So if you do not ever get over that from where you are right now at this $19 area, and you do drop below 1760, you are potentially going to drop about 33% down here to a new low at 1267. So it does not look good on time. It just looks like it wants to go down. Like I said, there's nothing bullish on the chart at all. The only thing bullish is that you're on support, and that's not really much to speak of. So you can see every time this thing is at support, it just continues to get pushed down by the moving averages, and it's just going down. So it does not look good. And before we end this, look at the Heikin-Ashi candles. You can see we are printing indecisive over the last almost 2 weeks here. So, you know, it's just repeating itself. So it looks like to me that you do want to actually go to lower prices here. So I don't think the bottom is in actually on Chrono.tech. I know we were kind of looking at that last time, but everything fell off the table and it just does not look good. I'm expecting it to maybe bounce up to the 21 and then come back down and then, you know, do something kind of like this. Kind of like it did back here, where you get a little bounce off support and then you just continue your journey sideways and down. So that's the story for Chrono.tech here. I would look for that 1260 to get hit in the near future, unless you could get over this $23, $24 area and get over your 21 and your 50 and get some kind of momentum back to the upside. So yeah, with that said, hopefully that helped a little bit, and not financial advice. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.